Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Vita Inu coin. But before that, you can see friends right now entire market is looking bullish. You can see Cheetah coin is pumped by 47%, $1 billion get 40%, Dog Bitcoin ecosystem coin 32% pump, Happy, Unici, mostly meme coins are again pumping here. Meme coins days are big here. You can see friends, mostly meme coins are right now going upward here. So today's be very very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, Venu current price depends 7 times $4, pump by 4% last 24 hour. But friends, after BTC pump, this coin is also recovered. You can see 35% pump in 14 days. 35% pump in last 7 days. So this is huge recovery from this meme coin. This is really good. But it's still super low cap coin. I can see friends $13.2 million market cap only. So right now this meme coin is still a very low cap coin because only $13.2 million market cap, $3.3 million trading volume. So trading volume is amazing. BNB ecosystem coin, as we have many BNB coin ecosystem coins are right now listed in Binance exchange. So Vita Inu can be also one of them soon because we have already Simmonsgate there. We have already Baby Dogecoin there, Flokino, and Brookly. You can see friends, Binance Alpha Spotlight, DWF left for you, a dog theme meme coin. We are 80% down in the soul time high. No doubt in last 14 days this coin is pump huge here, but still we are 80% down in the soul time high. They were 5 months ago, and 388% up in the soul time low. They were 3 years ago. Like Baby Dogecoin and Floki and Shiba Inu, this coin is also launched in 2021. Okay, so almost 4 years old meme coin, and still this coin is active in crypto market. It's still its trading volume is $3.3 million in last 24 hours. So this is amazing performance from this meme coin. And friends, we can see Get.io, KuCoin, MEXC, Bybit, these central exchanges has already list this coin, and Polynex, CoinX, CoinDX. So there's still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. Maybe we can see its listing on crypto.com and many other central exchanges soon because BNB ecosystem meme coin, and it's possible that we can see its listing on tier 1 central exchanges. 69,000 holders for this coin, of 69,000 holders, and holder charts going upward here. So this is good. And these are the top holders of this coin. I can see friends, Bybit hold 35% of Vita Inu coin. So this is huge, friend. 35% supply on Bybit exchange. Current worth about $4.6 million. MEXC and Get.io holding 13 and 4% of supply, and KuCoin exchange wallet also holding 1.4% supply. Get.io, BitGet exchange wallet, and maybe in coming few months we can see Binance exchange wallets also here to hold this coin and list V9 coin. And friends, if you not have MEXC and Get.io account yet, I provide you both central exchanges links in description where you can get all newly launched base meme coins before listing on major central exchanges just like Vita Inu. Vita Inu initially listed on MEXC, after that on Get.io, and after that on Bybit and KuCoin, and maybe in future we can see Vita Inu on many other tier 1 central also. Friends, now my price prediction about Vita Inu coin is that in short term, if BTC stabilize above $90,000 and we can see a good relief rally in meme coins, then definitely this meme coin has potential to break its all-time high, its previous all-time high, and make a new all-time high because still we are 80% down than its all-time high. So it's possible the Vino can kill 1-0 and make a new all-time high. But friends, in this year's super cycle, meme coins mega balloon, it's really possible the Vita Inu coin can be next $1 billion market cap coin. Maybe we can see its market from just 13 million to maybe $1 to $3 billion here because as I earlier told you, this is BNB ecosystem meme coin, and recently Binance exchange has listed many BNB chain meme coins. So in coming few days, maybe we can see massive hype for Vita Inu coin, and this market cap around 40 to maybe 50 million at that time. It's possible they can Binance list this coin, and if Binance will list this coin, then definitely Vinu can skyrocket in long term. In this year's super cycle, meme coins mega bullion. Later this year, we can see Spark Cave from just 13 million to maybe $1 to $3 billion a year. And if you still not join my Telegram channels yet, you can also join my Telegram channel. Link in description where I provide you all latest cryptocurrencies updates before on YouTube. You can see again and again I told you about Braid coin and Chilgai coin. So Braid is right now 3x from my calls, and many other meme coins just like fart coin is 5x. Turbo is also pump. You can see bread again and again. I told you about bread, so you can join my Telegram channel. And if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided you these all my crypto addresses links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. You have to just join my Telegram channel. Click here in pinned message. You can get my crypto addresses here, and you can support Sky Crypto channel for next 1000x potential meme coins.